What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to show you this site. Um, Really just show you how easy it is to make money online. I've made a video on this site before. I just want to show you another video just to show you that my routine still works. And this time, I have kind of a different layout on how I'm showing you like different ways that it works. Now, first, let me show you my account balance. In my balance right now, I have $46.52. I can cash that out, but for me, I like to let it build up to at least about $80 before I cash it out. But you see here, my payments received, I've made close to $3,000 with this site. Now, most people cannot say they've made close to $3,000 with one site. I mean, there's some people that can, but for the most part, people struggle with making money online. But this site alone, I'm making $20 a day, and I can teach you how to do the exact same thing. Now you see here at the top, my referrals, my rented referrals, I have 4,227 referrals. All right, now in my previous video, I had 5,000, but I'm still showing you that I can have less referrals and my routine still works. So again, it's going to show you that my withdrawal history, just to show you, I'm still making money with it. You'll see all of these cash outs that I have. My last one was $73. I got 82, 36, 92. All of these cash out. These are basically I'm making $20 a day. Sometimes with the money, I kind of reinvest it, to do some other things with the site. But for the most part, this site alone is going to bring you $20 a day if you just do exactly what I tell you. And that's why I tell you guys to book a session with me. That way I can show you how to make not only $20 a day on this one site, but I can show you how to make $150 every single day using other websites and apps. It's very simple. A lot of people don't think it's possible, but it is very much possible if you just follow my steps that I teach you. I've taught plenty of people so far, and the people that I've taught, they're on their way to doing that. If they're not already doing it, I mean, you can really start doing this within the next couple of days when I teach it to you. So I just want to show you how easy it is to make money online. And I also want to show you where this money goes, because some people are confused as to how do I get my money. So I'm going to show you also one of my accounts that I have. Now, this is my AirTM account, okay? When I go to my AirTM account, it is, if you're not familiar with it, it's kind of like PayPal in the sense it's really a payment process. This is where my money goes. So I'm going to log into my account just to show you how much money I'm getting basically on a daily basis. All right. So right here, my account balance logging in. You see here right at the top, I got $124 in my account, 72 cents, right? So I can cash this out easily. I mean, my main balance right here. Very, very simple to do, y'all. I just want you guys to understand that in order to do this, you got to book a session. And in that session, it's going to take maybe an hour for me to show you all the things that I do in order to bring this money to my account each and every day. It is very, very simple. Just going back, this is one of the websites that I use. Now, the thing is, it's a way you have to go about doing this, because you won't just sign up for free. I mean, this site is free, but you won't just sign up and just start making money $20 a day out the gate. There's a certain routine and process that you have to use, and I will teach that to you in my session. So I encourage you guys to click the link below, the book a sessions tab, or go to my website, pennies2000s.com, click on the book of sessions, get started with it today. All right. It is very, very simple. You can watch the little video that I have on that tab, just kind of give you an outline of how the session works and how you're going to be able to make this money. Then you book the session, and it's a one-on-one session with me and you, showing you exactly what to do in order to make this money. It works for everybody. I can cater it to what you do best, but I encourage you guys again just to book the session. That way you can stop making pennies, or dollars a day online, and start making $150 a day. All right. So click the link in the description to sign up for this site. That way, you can kind of get familiar with it. But most importantly, book a session. I will leave the link to that book of sessions in the description, so you can get started with that. But that's it for this video. Just wanted to show you how easy it is to make money online with this one site alone, making $20 a day. You can do the same thing if you put in that effort. So book a session today, and always remember, every penny counts.